Hello everyone, welcome to our math classroom, and this is Teacher Levi. So our lesson for today is about getting the square root of a four-digit number, which is a perfect square. Okay, so before that, let us first be familiar with this table. The first column consists of the root, simply the numbers. Second column is the square of that number, and then third column is the last digit. Okay. So say for example, the root is 1, or we have a number 1, the square is 1. We have 2, the square is 4. 3, the square is 9, and so on and so forth. So when we say square, we have to multiply it by itself. Now, the last column pertains to the last digit of the second column. So here, the last digit of course is 1. Here is 4, 9. The last digit here is 6, 5, 6, 9, 4, 1, and 0. So let's start with the first example. The first example is 2,304. First thing to do is to take a look at the last digit of our given number. So the last digit here is 4. So what you're going to do first is to look at the last digit. So we have here 4 and also 4. Okay? So the root here is 2 and the root here is 8. Get it? Good. Okay. Second step. You have to divide the four digits into 2. Okay? So you have to disregard this first. So you have here 23. 23 is included, or it is between 16 and 25, right? So we have to consider the lower number. So that is 16. And 16 has a square root of 4. That's the second step. Now the third step is to multiply 4 by the next number in the number line. So 4, next is 5. So that's 4 times 5, and that is 20. Okay? You just have to compare it with 23. Now, what can you say? 23 is greater than 20. Now, since 23 is greater than 20, we have to choose the greater one here. So the greater is 8. Therefore, your answer is 48. And that is the square root of 2,304. Want another example? Let's have the second one. Second example, say you have 4,761. Okay. So our last digit here is 1. So again, take a look at the table. We have here 1 and 1. Here, the square root is 1. And here, the square root is 9. Okay. Now, first step. That's the second step is to divide the four digits into 2. Disregard this. You have 47. 47, it is between 36 and 49. Get the lower number, 36. And the square root of 36 is 6. Okay, now, next, what is the number next to 6? That is 7. So 6 times 7 is 42. Compare it with 47. That is greater than. Okay? So 47 is greater than 42. Therefore, you have to choose the greater number here. That's 9. So therefore, 69. Square root of 4,761 is 69. Let us have our third example. We have 5,476. Now, what is the last digit? That's 6. Okay? So we have here 6 and also 6 here. Okay, now. So 6, the first 6 here, the square root is 4. And the second one is 6. Okay? Next, we have to divide digits in the 2. So we have, you disregard this first, you have 54. 54 is between 49 and 64. So take the lower number, which is 49. And 49 is a square root of 7. Okay, now, what is the next number after 7? That is 8. So you multiply it, 7 times 8, and that is what? That is 56. So you have here 54, then 56. And we can say that 54 is less than 56. Now, so which is lesser? 4 or 6? That is 4. Therefore, your final answer is 74. So the square root of 5,476 is 74. Did you get it? Okay, good.